Hi everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, and this is my newest creation, our latest and greatest stock home, show home here in our model home village. This is a 16 by 68. We call this home the Maplecrest, and I have added an optional kitchen. Also took the color up to a Brunswick 4400 Brunswick siding, popped out that color with some white shutters, and also added a package including these two lights on the hitch end, and wait till you see the inside. This home is available in a 2 or a 3 bedroom version, and I chose to do the 2 bedroom version because in that version it is almost as if there are 2 primary bedrooms. You'll see what I mean in just a second. While I've got you on the line here, please like and subscribe my videos. Also, we're having a party. September the 19th on a Friday, we're gonna have lenders, builders, construction guys, all the people with all the great deals, and also on-site finance applications. So if you are interested in doing a project like this, that would be the day to come. Give me a call in advance. I'll put you in a very nice hotel. Walking into the Maplecrest, you've got a nice living room area here, and the optional kitchen is this. What it does is it puts the cabinets at a slant. Totally different from the standard Maplecrest floor plan. This just takes the game up a notch, if you ask me. If you look at some of my prior Maplecrest videos, you'll see what I mean. Most of the time they do the other kitchen, but I just think this is a beauty. Nice and modern, so I wanted to go with some modern colors. Gray on the cabinets, glacier quartzite on the countertop. This has been a fan favorite for a couple years now. Looks like river rock if you take a look at it. And took the cabinets to the ceiling. Added some black appliances and a package, actually, side by side with ice and water in the door. Microwave over the range, and then just kept with an electric stove. But the nice thing about a Maplecrest is all of the natural light that comes in. Check out all those windows. We could enlarge them also if you wanted even more natural light in, that's not a problem. Here's the pantry, a nice little getaway for you to be able to do your laundry. We're also gonna see the water heater back here and the panel box. And here's an interesting little nook where you could put some shelving in to create a pantry. I always thought that was one of the coolest things about this floor plan. Coming into the primary bedroom, whoops, we're gonna stop and take a look. We got the furnace on the way to there. Here's the primary bed, a nice size primary bedroom, especially in a 68 long. And then here's our new ceiling fans. I just think these are the coolest. Very industrial looking. And then if you look at the switch on the wall, you're able to control the fan speed as well as the light right there from the wall. Loving that. And we're gonna see 2 walk-in closets in this home. Here's the first one. Remember, we're standing in the primary bedroom. So there's the primary closet. And then you guys know me, I'm a fan of these medicine cabinets. So I did the optional bathroom in here, which is gonna put a full-size vanity with 2 sinks, added a medicine cabinet, and then those 2 arm vanity lights, which will hang over and just really brighten up the room. If you've got some extra money in the budget, that's the way to go. The standard would be a 3 bulb light strip, but that just takes it up a notch. Hi everybody, it's a nice Saturday afternoon, and things are really hopping around here. We've got housing consultants here to serve you, and the lot is full today. So thanking our lucky stars for that. Let's go check out the other end of the home. I can't tell you how many times I have customers that come here that are looking for 2 primaries. Just 2 different spaces to share the common areas. So that's what I was going for here. And you know I'm a fan of putting windows in the hallway. And look at the difference when you do that. It's huge, guys. Windows in the hallway, if you can squeeze a window in a bathroom, that's also a great thing, even a little transom window. Here we go. Here is bath number 2, nice and simple with a single vanity. And then I still did the 2 arm lights over the mirror. And then we've got the tub shower combination, which is a standard feature here. Now this is where we're really gonna spice it up a little bit. This is the 2nd bedroom. One could almost argue that this is a little bit bigger than the primary. I don't have the schematic in front of me right now, but it's pretty close. Here we go. And then this. What I love about it is And I added an extra window. There's 2 windows in here. So just that natural light makes everything larger and brighter and happier. All right, here we go in the second closet. Look at this baby. I can't believe it, how big it is. So if you're looking for a single wide and you only need 2 bedrooms and you'd kind of like, you know, 2 separate living spaces, the Maplecrest is a home for you. I'm Christina. I'm also the mobile home mama. And once again, I'm going to ask you, please like and subscribe and give me a call about that open house. I'm telling you, it's going to be an event you don't want to miss. I plan on doing that every year. So this is the first annual, and I hope to see you guys real soon. As always, thanks for watching.